And this is Kay.
And this is Kisses from Hey Kay. Now we're going to take a little bit of our time really quickly to show you a few of our favorite products from the summer. And I'm going to start it off with two of my favorite lip balms. Well, this is actually one of my favorite lip balms. Anyway, EOS lip balm. This is peach. It's a circle. You can get it at Walmart. Really quick, really easy. Makes your lips really soft.
Walmart Deep Renewal Blistex, and it just makes your lips really soft. It doesn't really smell or taste like anything else.
Okay. Mine is Revlon Color Stay Overtime. Color on one side, lip gloss on the other. It will stay on literally all day. This is Forever Pink. It's really cute.
Okay, mascara. Grow Luscious Lashes by Revlon. It makes them really long and really full because mine always have to be curled. They don't curl themselves, so it really helps with that.
Okay, mine is CoverGirl Last Blush Fusion. Mine are already pretty long and pretty thick, so this is just like an overcoat, which makes them longer and thicker.
Okay, this is just a Maybelline Self-Sharpening Eyeliner, and it doesn't do much, but it makes them, it's a really dark color, and it goes on really easily.
This is Clinique Color Surge Eyeshadow Quad. It's in pink chocolate, so there's 4 colors. It's really nice for smoky eyes, for blue eyes especially.
This is just a normal foundation because our skin's not really dark, so we don't need anything too dark because it'll make us look like we got a spray tan.
Read the label on that.
Spray tans aren't good. It's ivory color.
It's natural ivory. It's Neutrogena. And this, our last one, is just some concealer. It is Hide the Blemish Concealer. It's Rimmel London, and it is very nice, in case you're wondering.
Well, we
That's
have
all.
to eat now.
Bye!
Bye.